Hello Gemini, welcome to Broti True Tarot, and this is a reading from 24th of April to 30th of April. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Gemini. Knave of Swords. Knave of Wands. The World. Knave of Chalices. And Three of Swords. Okay, so maybe you are temporarily in separation, Gemini. You might not know, you might feel like that these Three of Swords are real, these Three of Swords are something that have ended your relationship forever, and this person is not going to come back. This person has made a decision, and there is no hope left for you in this relationship. But Knave of Swords is not someone who does anything seriously. This person didn't take this relationship seriously, didn't commit to you. Maybe they kept breaking your heart. They kept breaking their promises. They couldn't keep their words. So you can expect that this person will be back, because this person is not going to take this separation seriously as well. This person is not sure of their own feelings. Maybe they're away, but maybe that is because they don't understand the seriousness of the situation. This person is someone who's immature, who changes their mind every now and then. They're not sure of their own feelings. They're not conscious of their subconscious, and that is why they have done this. Maybe they told you that they won't be back ever, this will never work, and you are shattered because you invested a lot of emotions in this relationship. You were totally in love with this person, because Knave of Chalices is someone who looks like that they are the perfect one. They will be here forever. They are magical. They are, enthusiastic, and they take interest in everything. So maybe this person was quick to win your heart. They did everything to impress you. They gave you a lot of excitement. I mean, this person did things that you didn't experience in your previous relationship. Maybe it was physically really good. Maybe this person knew what you wanted and knew how to pamper you. Maybe they knew the right things and they said it whenever it was needed, and you felt like that this person was the one for you. You felt an instant connection with this person, and now they are not here, and you are devastated. You feel like that nothing can work. This person is gone. They won't be back, and it's like you feel somehow cut off from this person. Maybe they ghosted you all of a sudden. Maybe they stopped replying to your texts. Maybe they didn't pick up your call, and you felt like that you are getting completely ignored. But Gemini, I think that you need to give them some time. This person is moody. Here you see Knave of Wands. This person is moody. This person says something and they do something else. Maybe sometimes they are saying the most romantic things when they don't mean it. It's just, thing of impulse for them. And sometimes they can say something really bitter, but they don't mean it. Okay, so you cannot take their words so seriously right now. Maybe this relationship is a new one and you haven't spent much time with them, and you're not aware of their ways. And maybe this person is not aware of their own feelings, and they need some time to figure out their feelings, and that is why they're not here. Maybe this separation is meant for something. This separation is there because this person wants to know something first. And then here we have the card of the world. For the card of the world, something is, growing. You might be surprised, but I feel like that the separation was necessary for something to grow. Maybe they need to grow up. They need to get more mature. Maybe this separation is bringing you closer. Maybe this is giving both of you an opportunity to miss each other, to know the intensity of this relationship, and to decide whether you actually want it. So this has happened for a reason, and the card of the world has appeared. That means that things will change eventually, and this will end up on a positive note. However, this is a general reading and this is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. Also, you can check your moon and rising sign. So let's go ahead and check some more messages for you. Messages for Gemini. Two of Pentacles. The Hanged Man. Nine of Pentacles. The Hierophant. And Six of Chalices. Okay, so here you have Two of Pentacles. With the Two of Pentacles, a lot of confusion is there. You cannot believe what you see, and you cannot see what you believe. There is this contradiction, and you don't know how to find a balance. Maybe you are totally confused. Maybe they are giving you mixed signals. Maybe they are not telling you clearly anything. Like, is it over, or is they are looking for it? And then here you have the card of the Hanged Man. You are smart enough, Gemini, but right now you are, you are controlled by your own emotions. And this person knows that. This person is smart. This person knows that you are controlled by your emotions right now. And that's why this person is not making a move, not making a first move. Because they expect that it will be you. With this Nine of Pentacles, this person has high hopes. This person is wishing for something. They are hoping that you will stick to them no matter what they choose to do, no matter how much time they are asking for, no matter how they are behaving. This person feels like that they can keep you in this way, they can keep you confused, they can take you for granted, because you are somehow expressing your feelings to them, Gemini, and they can clearly sense your vulnerability, emotional vulnerability. And then here you have the card of the Hierophant. This person knows that you are dependable, you are loyal, you are someone who can teach them something. Maybe this person is attracted to you because you're just opposite of them. This person might be a player and you are someone who loves to the depth of heart. And that is why this person is attracted to you. They like your purity, they like your innocence. But at the same time, they feel a kind of happiness in making you, feel emotionally vulnerable. I don't know why. This person feels like they have this power. They feel more connected because you react to their behavior. They feel like you feel connected to them, and they still have this emotional bonding to you. They enjoy this pain, and it's not like that you are only going through this Three of Swords. With the Six of Pentacles, looks like that this person is also missing the past. This person is looking at the past. They are looking at those moments, those happy moments that you spent together. They are missing the moments when you were closer physically and emotionally. They are missing everything. So it's not only about you, Gemini. and this person is feeling the same, but maybe they are immature and they need some time to figure out what they actually want. Let's check an oracle message for you. Take a break. A life's work, not a season. Get off the treadmill. So right now, the oracle is telling you to take a break. It's a life's work. It's not going to happen in a day. You are not going to build this relationship in a day, and it will take efforts. And this person is immature. It will take time for them to learn a lot of things. So you need to take a break. You need to get off the treadmill so that you can rest and think about the future. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.